Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Good morning, students. See, in the previous class that we studied about the Battle of Plassey and the Battle of Buxar that took place in the 1764. See, in that battles we saw that the British, how they gained the political control over the major parts of the India. See, in the Battle of Buxar, they defeated the second Shah Alam of the Mughal Empire and the local rulers of the India. They defeated almost all the British, gained control over the Bengal province. Okay, say in this chapter we are going to study the expansion of the British rule. After the British gained control over the major parts of India, how did they extend their rule over the different parts of the India? As you know, the dual government system which was introduced in the 1765 by the Robert Clive. Because of this dual government, the British gained control over the collecting the land taxes. Okay, so this already came under the British control in the 1765 by introducing the dual government system by the Robert Clive. See, these British people in the beginning they were ruling the eastern parts of the country. After that, say in the south part there were the Marathas and the Mysore Wadiyas were there. Okay, the Mysore states and the Marathas were there. In the western part of the country there were the Sikh. Okay, but the British in the beginning they were just ruling the eastern part of the country. So when the British decided to extend their kingdom, the wars waged between the Marathas and the British, and again between the British and the Mysore states, and like that even the wars were waged between the Sikhs and the British. See, in this chapter we are going to study the wars that were waged between the Marathas and the British, and between the Sikhs and the British. Okay, totally there were three Anglo-Maratha wars took place. Okay, the wars that took place between the British and the Marathas, they are called as the Anglo-Maratha wars. Okay, totally three Anglo-Maratha wars took place. See, the British, as they were gradually gaining the control over the different parts of India, so they decided to extend their kingdom towards the south part. South part was under the control of the Marathas and the Mysore states. So when the British decided, it caused the war against the Marathas and even against the Mysore states. Okay, between British and the Marathas, totally three wars took place. See, we are going to study one by one. Okay, see, the first Anglo-Maratha war. See, the war that took place between the British and the Marathas, they are known as the Anglo-Maratha wars. Okay, so there was, what was the reason for the first Anglo-Maratha wars? Okay, see, in the Battle of Buxar, second Shah Alam was defeated by the British, as you know all. Okay, see, but the Marathas they decided to install again the second Shah Alam as the Sultan in Delhi. Okay, second Shah Alam, they decided again to install this second Shah Alam as the Sultan of Delhi. See, this second Shah Alam, he gave two places to the Marathas. Which were the places? Kora and Allahabad. Okay, see, these two places were given by the second Shah Alam to the Marathas. But earlier, these two places were given by the second Shah Alam to the British. This second Shah Alam, earlier he had given these places to the British, but after when he was installed as the as the Sultan of Delhi by the Marathas, Then this second Shah Alam, which he had earlier given these places to the British, he gave these places to the Marathas. This resulted in the enmity between the Marathas and the British. So during that time there was a Maratha leader. Maratha leader was there, a strong man was there, Madhav Rao. Madhav Rao was a very strong among the Marathas, was a very strong man and he was a leader among the Marathas. See, but this Madhav Rao, he died. When this Madhav Rao, he passed away, his brother Narayan Rao, he came to the throne. He became the Peshwa of Marathas. This Narayan Rao, he was the brother of Madhav Rao. So when this Narayan Rao, he became the Peshwa, he was murdered by his uncle. His uncle was Raghova or Raghunath Rao. This Raghova or Raghunath Rao, he was the uncle of Narayan Rao. This Raghova, he murdered the Narayan Rao for the post of Peshwa, and this Raghava became the Peshwa. See, this resulted the enmity among the Marathas. This caused the infighting between the Marathas. So finally, the Maratha Federation agreed. It discussed and they made the second Madhav Rao. They made second Madhav Rao, who was the minor son of Narayan Rao. This second Madhav Rao was the minor son of the Madhav Rao. The Maratha Federation made this second Madhav Rao as the Peshwa. See, with this move, this Raghava became upset. So he approached the British and he sought the help of the British. So what the British did here? The British thought to exploit this situation in their favor. Okay, they wanted to help. They wanted to support the Raghava, but indirectly they wanted to exploit this situation in their favor. So when the war waged between the Marathas and the British, finally the British were successful in defeating the Marathas, and the Ahmedabad place, it was given to the British. The British conquered in this battle, they found the victory, and that Ahmedabad was given to the British. After that, this war ended with a treaty. In 1782, an agreement or a treaty took place between the Marathas and the British, that is known as the Salbai Agreement. See, with this agreement, Salbai Agreement in the year 1782, the Marathas ended the war. Okay? Say how, let us see the first Anglo-Maratha war briefly once again. Okay? Say the second Shah Alam was installed again as the Peshwa of the Delhi by the Maratha. Then this second Shah Alam, he gave Kora and Allahabad to the Marathas, which he had earlier given to the British. This resulted in the enmity between the Marathas and the British. This Madhav Rao, when he died, his brother Narayan Rao became the Peshwa. But this Narayan Rao was murdered by his uncle Raghova. Okay? This resulted in the infighting between the Maratha. So the Maratha Federation made the second Madhav Rao, the son of Narayan Rao, as the Peshwa. So because of this Raghova got upset and he sought the help of the British. Like this, the war waged between the Marathas and the British. Finally, the British completely defeated the Maratha. This was ended with the agreement, that is known as the Salbai Agreement in 1782. According to this, Ahmedabad was given to the British. Okay. See, this is the first Anglo-Maratha war it is. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss the second Anglo-Maratha war, why that war waged between the Marathas and the British, and what were the consequences of that. Okay.